Have you ever wondered how some animals thrive in the harsh, unforgiving conditions of the desert? The desert, a place of extreme opposites, where the scorching heat of the day gives way to frigid nights. A landscape where water is as elusive as a mirage and sustenance is more precious than gold. It's a realm that seems inhospitable, yet a closer look reveals an array of creatures that not only survive but also thrive in this relentless environment. How? Through the power of adaptation. These animals have evolved in remarkable ways, developing fascinating strategies to cope with the desert's adversities, from camouflaging coloration that blends with the sand to nocturnal habits that avoid the daytime heat. These survival tactics are as varied as the animals themselves. Among these resilient desert dwellers, one creature stands out for its unique adaptations. In this video, we will uncover the secrets of desert survival by focusing on one particular animal, the fennec fox. The fennec fox, a small yet resilient creature, has carved out a niche for itself in the Sahara Desert. This pint-sized predator, the smallest of all the world's foxes, punches well above its weight in terms of adaptability and endurance. The fennec fox is a master of desert survival, thanks to a set of unique physical characteristics. First, let's talk about those ears. They are not just there for show. They are large and bat-like, accounting for up to half the body's surface area. These ears serve a dual purpose. They are excellent at picking up the faintest sounds of potential prey or predators. But, more importantly, they help dissipate heat, keeping the fox cool in the scorching desert sun. And then there's its fur. Thick and luxurious, it may seem like a disadvantage in such a hot environment, but it's actually a crucial element in the fennec fox's survival kit. The fur provides excellent insulation against the cold desert nights, turning from a liability in the daytime into a lifesaver when temperatures plummet after sundown. The fennec fox's coat is also an important tool for survival. It's a sandy color, a perfect match for the desert landscape. This coloration provides the fox with a natural camouflage, making it nearly invisible against the backdrop of the Sahara. It's a handy trick when you're a small creature in a world full of larger predators. But survival isn't just about physical adaptations. The fennec fox has also adapted its behavior to the harsh desert environment. It's predominantly nocturnal, resting in the cool shade of its burrow during the day and emerging at night to hunt and explore. This nocturnal lifestyle helps it avoid the worst of the desert heat and conserve vital energy. The fennec fox is not only equipped to survive the desert's harsh climate, but it also has adapted its behavior to thrive. In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into a day in the life of this remarkable desert dweller. The fennec fox leads a predominantly nocturnal existence to escape the desert's scorching heat. Indeed, when the sun dips below the horizon and the desert cools, the fennec fox awakens from its daytime slumber and embarks on a nightly quest for survival. Unlike many animals, the fennec fox has a diet that's as diverse as the desert itself. It hunts for food under the cloak of darkness, relying on its keen ears and sharp eyes to find insects, small rodents, and even the occasional desert bird. With a stealthy approach and a swift pounce, the fennec fox secures its meal, demonstrating the resourcefulness required to thrive in a demanding environment. Finding water in the desert can be a daunting task, but the fennec fox is nothing if not resilient. It often seeks out dew-covered plants in the early morning hours, laps up any available moisture, and even relies on the water content of its prey. Every drop counts in this arid landscape, and the fennec fox is a master of making the most out of the sparse resources. Of course, survival isn't just about finding food and water, it's also about steering clear of danger. Predators such as the eagle owl and the desert lynx pose a constant threat, but the fennec fox uses its excellent hearing and agility to stay one step ahead, proving that size isn't always a determinant of survival. And then there's the matter of home maintenance. The fennec fox is a diligent digger, constantly working to maintain and improve its burrow. These burrows provide shelter from the heat, a safe space to raise young, and a refuge from predators. Through tireless effort, the fennec fox creates a home that's as comfortable as it is functional. Despite the harsh conditions, the fennec fox continues to persevere, adapting its lifestyle to the desert's demands. Every day is a testament to the fennec fox's adaptability and tenacity, reminding us that even in the most unforgiving landscapes, life finds a way to flourish. The fennec fox has a varied diet, which is key to its survival in the food-scarce desert. In the harsh, arid environment of the desert, resources are scarce. The fennec fox, however, has adapted to this demanding environment by being an opportunistic omnivore. It dines on a smorgasbord of desert delights, from the smallest insects to the swift rodents that dart across the sandy terrain. With its sharp, needle-like teeth, it can easily crunch through the exoskeletons of beetles or tear into the soft flesh of a lizard. Birds, too, are not safe from the fennec fox. Whether it's a small bird resting on a cactus or a larger one nesting on the ground, the fox's keen eyes and swift movements ensure it seldom misses a meal. And speaking of nests, the fennec fox also has a taste for eggs, be they from birds or reptiles. This fox is not a fussy eater, and each type of food it consumes plays a crucial role in its survival. However, life in the desert is not just about finding food, it's also about avoiding becoming food. The fennec fox has predators of its own. One such predator is the African eagle owl, a bird of prey that can swoop down silently in the night, its large talons poised to snatch up an unsuspecting fox. But the fennec fox is no easy target. With its large ears, it can hear the faintest rustle of wings or the softest hoot, giving it a chance to dart into its burrow before the owl strikes. The fennec fox's relationship with its environment is a delicate balance of give and take. It consumes a variety of creatures, aiding in the control of certain populations while also serving as a source of food for larger predators. It's a testament to the intricate web of life that exists in the seemingly barren desert. The fennec fox's adaptability extends to its diet and evasion of predators, further showcasing its remarkable survival skills. The fennec fox plays a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance of the desert ecosystem. Let's delve into the fascinating world of desert ecology, where every creature, big or small, has a part to play. Our pint-sized protagonist, the fennec fox, is no exception. This nocturnal denizen contributes significantly to the overall health and balance of the desert environment in ways you may not have imagined. One of the primary roles the fennec fox serves in its ecosystem is as a natural pest controller. Its diet consists largely of insects, rodents, and other small creatures that, if left unchecked, could multiply rapidly, causing significant damage to the desert flora. So, by keeping these populations in check, the fennec fox helps preserve the integrity of the desert vegetation and, in turn, the overall health of the ecosystem. But the fennec fox is not just a predator, it's also prey. Larger desert predators, such as the eagle owl, rely on the fennec fox as a source of food. In this way, the fennec fox forms a crucial link in the desert food chain. Its survival ensures the survival of these larger predators, which in turn helps to maintain the balance of predator-prey relationships in the desert. Additionally, the fennec fox's burrowing habits contribute to the desert ecology. By digging extensive networks of burrows, these foxes help aerate the soil, which can improve water absorption and promote the growth of vegetation. Their abandoned burrows also provide homes for other desert creatures, further adding to the biodiversity of the desert landscape. On the surface, the desert may seem like a harsh, barren landscape, but as we delve deeper, we find it teeming with life, each species intricately connected in a delicate web of relationships. And at the heart of it, often overlooked, is the fennec fox, playing its part in maintaining the balance of this beautiful, rugged ecosystem. The survival and prosperity of the fennec fox is indeed an ecological necessity for the desert. The fennec fox's survival story is a testament to the resilience of life in the desert. This small yet hardy creature has exemplified the power of adaptation, with its large ears for heat dissipation and its thick fur to withstand the chilling desert nights. Its nocturnal behavior is a clever strategy to avoid the scorching daytime heat, while its diverse diet of insects, small mammals, and plants ensures its survival in a landscape where food can be scarce. Yet the fennec fox is not without threats. Predators such as the eagle owl pose a constant danger, but the fox's keen senses and swift agility often prove adequate for evasion. And let's not forget the fox's vital ecological role, providing a check on rodent and insect populations, contributing to the desert's delicate balance. The fennec fox, like many desert creatures, has not merely survived the desert's harsh conditions, but has thrived, reminding us of nature's resilience and ingenuity.